What's up? Let's train insane because you don't want to remain the same. This is 7-Continent Traveler and Public Speaking Professor John D. Lynn with my second Amazon review. Today we're not doing the hat or the glasses. We're talking about the shirt and the pants over here. This shirt here on Amazon, I would give it 4 stars out of 5. Let me tell you why. The design here is meant to be that of an eagle, but I didn't think that it fully came out that way. The shirt here is a size medium. For reference, I'm 5'9.5", 165 pounds. If you like it really tight and compressed, by all means go for it. But for me, I went up to a size large. Don't worry though, this can easily go up to 5 stars. And here's why. They have tons of different designs for you to be able to do that will work out for you. Now, about the pants. I'm not a big fan on Adidas pants because everyone has it, but I like the Adidas design. So what I got over here are these cool pants that were made in Dubai. Right? I like how you have the one stripe here. You have the stripe pockets that allow you to put down your phone while you're traveling so you don't get pickpocketed. And if you ever wanted to make it more elastic here, it has a nice band over here that you can pull up. You can show off those really nice calf muscles that you got, and you can do the workout, everybody. So one simple exercise that I want to teach you today that all of you might know is just the high knees. You do the high knees to make sure that while you're speaking, you can have a nice stride as you're going across the room, right? You don't want to take steps across the room in a little small way. You want to take that nice big bold step, east side to the west side. So one way you do that is quite simple, everyone. So just raise that knee, 1 and 2, do it with me, 3 and 4. If you do that, you take the longer strides across the stage, show more confidence, everyone. This is 7-Continent Traveler and Public Speaking Professor John D. Lynn with 2 product reviews over here. And remember, follow at John D. Lynn Speaks on Instagram and also Speech Pro JDL on YouTube for more product reviews. Thank you for my second one that we did. We're going to keep making them better and better because you're showing all the love and I appreciate it.